Today I'm going to be serving you guys some berries on ice vibes. It starts right now. Hey guys, I'm Heaven and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, you can start by smashing that subscribe button and turning notifications on. I upload up to 7 videos per week. But without further ado, let's jump right into this video. To start this look off, I'm gonna prime my eyes using a really thick concealer. I like the Maybelline in the shade white, and it is a bullet, and I'm just taking this on my M432 brush by Morphe. It is a synthetic flat brush and perfect for applying creams, so we're just going to prime the eyes. Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. And now I'm going to set this using a little bit of Spun translucent setting powder. Life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat. First palette that I'm going to dive into for some pinks and some purples is, of course, this BH Cosmetics First Edition palette. Now, once my channel reaches 300 subscribers, one lucky person will receive this in the mail from yours truly. So the only rules are you must be subscribed to my channel with notifications turned on, give me a couple likes, and drop a couple comments. That is it. First color that we're going to be picking up is, of course, this pink color. For my inner corner, this general area, I'm going to use a smaller, flat, natural haired brush, and I'm just going to begin patting this in my inner corner. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. Alright, now that I have the general stencil, if you will, of where I want those colors to go, I am just going to begin filling in the outer corner. Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste. And then with the remaining product already on my brush, I'm going to connect the two at the top. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Now really quickly, I did dive over to my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just going to diffuse this line on the outer portion just a little bit. Not crazy, because I am going to go over this with a separate color. Alright, now I'm going to go back into the First Edition palette and just one space over pick up this very beautiful amethyst purple, and this is going to go really in my inner corner as well as on the outer portion to give it some depth and dimension.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Now that that is basically laid exactly where I want it, I'm going to be mixing two different colors from this first edition palette. I'm going to pick up this matte pink color and also this completely white color just to make it a baby pinkish color. And I'm going to use this to connect the two at the top.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Lower lash line, all I did was apply a little bit of leftover purple, and I did drag it down, but I did skip directly underneath my irises for the halo effect. And I am just going to deepen the outer portions of it and leave the inner corner alone, because I want that to be like a light purple, and the outer portions I want a darker purple. Now for the initial cut crease, I'm going to go back in with my Maybelline Concealing Bullet in the shade white, obviously. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger, no brushes here because I'm not trying to be super precise with this. I just want to lighten up the area where there's a smidge of purple. So I'm just going to pat this along my lash line.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Alright, for this look I am going to be diving into Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and this is in the shade White Raven. Now it does have a holographic purple iridescent-y shade to it. It gives off like a purple shiny color, which will be great for this halo look. I am going to take an even smaller natural haired brush, and I'm just going to dive directly into this.
These we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, now enough playing around. 1, 2.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Ooh! And that, you guys, is it. What do you guys feeling about my berries on ice vibe. Drop it in the comments and let me know what you guys think about this berries on ice vibe. I love spending each and every moment that I can with you guys. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.